worship the King, all glorious above. Oh, gratefully sing His power and His love. Our shield and defender, the ancient of days. Pavilioned in splendour and girded with praise. Wolẹ fọba Ologo julọ, kọrin ipa àti ìfẹ́ rẹ̀. Alãbò wà ní Ẹni Igbani, ngbe inú ògo ẹlẹrù nìyí. Tell of His might, oh sing of His grace, whose robe is the light, whose canopy is space. His chariots all brought the deep tender cloud form, and dark is His path on the wings of storm. Ti parẹ́ ẹ̀sọ́ torí rẹ̀, Mọlẹ láṣọ rẹ̀, kọbi rẹ̀ ọrun. Bí ara tí ń sán ni kẹkẹ binu rẹ̀, ipa ọ̀nà rẹ̀ ní a kò sì lè mọ̀. With its store of wonders untold, Almighty thy power hath founded of old, hath stablished it fast by a changeless decree, and round it has cast like a mantle the sea. Aiye pẹlu ẹkún rẹ̀ gbogbo, Olodumare ìwọ ló dá wọn. Ó fìdí rẹ̀ múlẹ̀, ó dúró ṣinṣin, ó sì fi ogun yí gbogbo ilẹ̀ ká. Measureless might, ineffable love, while angels delight to Him the above. The humbler creation, though feeble their lays, with true adoration shall live through thy praise. Alágbára onífẹ̀ẹ́ jùlọ, báwọn áńgẹ́lì tí yìn ọ́ lókè. Bẹ́ẹ̀ láwa ẹ̀dá rẹ̀ ni wọ́n ta lè ṣe. A ó máa júbà rẹ̀,